Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we will do question answers of chapter 11 A Talkative Tortoise class 5 English. Let us start the question answers. Question number 1, choose the correct alternative. The cranes and the tortoise were worried about. Option A is big lake, B stick, C drying pond, D village. So, cranes and tortoise were worried about drying pond. So, option C is correct. We will write here C. Who spoke too much? A. Villagers, B. Cranes, C. Tortoise or D. All of them. Who was talkative? Tortoise was talkative. So, option C is correct. We will write here option C. Now, say whether the following statements are true and false. First is the tortoise helped the cranes. Tortoise helped the cranes or cranes helped the tortoise? This statement is false. So, we will write F. Next is the pond started to dry as there was no rain. This is true. So, we will write here T. Because there was no rain, so pond started to dry. Third is the tortoise held the stick at the one end. True or false? No, it's false. He hold it at the middle. So, this is false. We will write F here. Fourth one is people in the village were foolish. Villagers were foolish? No, this is false. Fifth is the tortoise kept its mouth shut and reached the big lake. True or false? It is false. He opened his mouth and fell down and died. So, this is false. Next is we should think before saying something. Yes, we should always think before saying something. Answer the following questions. Who helped the tortoise in taking him from the pond to the big lake? And the answer is two cranes named Sankat and Vikat helped the tortoise in taking him from the pond to the lake. Next question is I have an idea. Who said this and what was the idea? Who said this? I have an idea. Tortoise. And the answer is tortoise said this. I have an idea. And what was the idea? The idea was of flying away to the lake holding a long stick. Question 3. The pond started to dry. Why? Answer is the pond started to dry because there was no rain. Next question. What did the cranes advise the tortoise when they took him to the big lake? What advice did crane give to tortoise? Answer is when the cranes took tortoise to the big lake, they advised him to keep his mouth shut while flying. Otherwise, he will fall down. So, this was the answer. Question number 5. Should we talk too much? If yes, why? If not, why not? Answer is we should not talk too much. We should not talk unnecessarily. Why? Because it loses the sense of the topic and it may cause harm to us. Now match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Words are given here and their meanings are given here. We have to match it. First one is chatterbox, starvation, idea, foolish, beak, earth, rain, stick, and meaning of these words are given. So, start at chatterbox. What is the meaning of chatterbox? One who talks too much. So, we will match it to this one. One who talks too much. Next is starvation. Starvation means the state of without eating food. So, we will match it to this one, the state of without eating food. Next is idea. Meaning of idea is thought. So, we will match it, thought. Next is foolish. Foolish means unwise. So, we will match it with this, unwise or having no wisdom. Next word is beak. What is beak? Beak is a long mouth of birds. So, we will match it with this. Next is earth. Earth means land. So, match it with land. Next is rain. What is rain? Rain is the water drops falling from the clouds. Next is stick. What is a stick? A long thin piece of wood. So, we will match it to this one. Understand it? Now, look at the sentences given below from the text and understand their meanings. First sentence is, we will die of starvation. Second is, that foolish tortoise will certainly fall off. Third sentence is, I shall not do such a foolish thing. Will, shall. Will is used with we, tortoise, and shall is used with I. In the above sentences, will or shall has been used to say about the action which will happen in future time. We can talk about future time activity using shall or will. Generally, shall is used with I or we and will with other persons like you, he, she, it, they, and names. As in the case of tortoise, we use will and with I we use shall. In modern English, will is used very largely. Now, fill in the blanks with the verb using will or shall. I dash study in class 6 next year. Verb is given study. We have to use will or shall. What do we use with I? Shall. So, we will write here I shall study in class 6 next year. Second is India dash be superpower in 2025. India name. So, we will use will. India will be superpower in 2025. Next is Virat Kohli dash lead Indian cricket team after Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Name is given, so we will use will. Virat Kohli will lead the Indian cricket team after Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Tanya dash buy a new pen tomorrow. Name is given, with name we use will. So, we will write Tanya will buy a new pen tomorrow. Next is you dash learn about many inventions in near future. You, what do we use with you? Will. So, we will write you will learn about many inventions in near future. Now, here is the format of an informal letter. Complete the letter telling your friend about your future plan. You may take help of the following words given in the box. An informal letter format is given, we have to complete it. And what words we will use? Prepare for the entrance exam, follow my teacher's advice, study sincerely, give extra time to studies. See, this address is given, Shiv Sadan, Naria Mohalla, Shahabad, 21 November 2016. This date is given. Now, we will start with my dear Pooja or dear Pooja. Then, I am quite well here and hope that you will also be fine there. Then, we will write content matter. You asked me about my future plan. After passing class 5, I want to take admission to Navodaya Vidyalaya. This was given and we will write this one with the help of the words given in the box. So, we will write I shall prepare for the entrance exam. I shall follow my teacher's advice. I shall study sincerely. I shall give extra time to studies. I am sure about my success. So, this we will write down. I invite you to visit my place during the winter vacation. Convey my best regards to your parents. And in last, we will write our name, your friendly or your lovingly or your loving friend. We can choose one of them and then write your name like Sana. Now, you understand the format of informal letter. So, let us do one more letter. Imagine that you are Pooja. Write a letter to Sana in reply to the above letter. Now, see how we will write. First of all, address, plot number 42, sector 8, Adarsh Nagar, Ajmer. Whatever address you will like to write, write it. Then, date. I have written here 4 August. You can write year of your choice. I am writing here 2021. Now, dear Sana. Then the matter of the letter. I am quite well here and hope same for you. I liked your future plan. You asked me about my plan of going for a trip during winter vacation. So, I have decided to visit Red Fort and Qutub Minar with my friends. So, what did she decide? She decided to go to visit Red Fort and Qutub Minar. These are historical places. It is in New Delhi. It is one of the famous monuments of the world. It will be like an educational tour for us. So, masti ki masti and padhai ki padhai. Now, tell me where you will go in vacations. Now, she is asking about her plan. Convey my best regards to your parents. So, in last we will write this line. And now, your loving friend and your name, as we have to write here Pooja. So, that was the format of informal letter. In this way, you will write informal letter to your friend, your uncle, your relatives. So, students, these were the question answers of chapter 11, A Talkative Tortoise. Just do in your English notebook. Hope you all understand it. Thank you.